So we are all about the spring fever right now here at Studio 5, but today a little taste of summer is coming your way because Chef Todd Leonard with the UVU Culinary Arts Institute is just tantalizing our taste buds with some really fresh summer flavors. Are we early to the party on this?
Summer couldn't get here soon enough, I promise you.
You're bringing
fresh vine-ripe tomatoes is just brilliant just by themselves. Just a little salt, a little pepper, eat them all summer.
Yes.
So, when you're growing your garden, when you're spending time growing awesome things and buying awesome things this summer from farmers markets and whatnot, what do you want to do? Some new ideas, really simple, street corn and tomato toast.
Let's start with the tomato toast, can
Okay,
we?
so tomato toast, just take a nice piece of sourdough,
okay,
char it right on your grill, okay, and just toast it.
Okay.
After it's toasted, you're just gonna melt that. You're gonna melt that toast. I've got Havarti cheese.
Ooh.
So you're gonna melt the Havarti cheese right on there.
And the grill automatically is gonna give it a different taste than just a toast.
Oh yeah, that's right. Then we're gonna put heirloom tomatoes. And the secret really is heirloom tomatoes. These are the best tomatoes this time of year.
Can you really tell a difference?
Heirloom's original seed. So this is how God intended tomatoes, actually.
And it does to eat. I don't like tomatoes. Am I offending you?
No, you're not offending me. You like toast.
I like toast. I like ketchup. I like salsa. I don't like tomatoes.
I like
how does
ketchup,
that work?
she
I don't know.
says.
I don't know.
Ketchup. Okay, after you've got that all melded up, you're gonna season it with, of course, a little bit of Chef Todd's pit seasoning.
Hold on, this is what I reach for all year.
Get a photo of
this
that.
guy is in my pantry 365 days out of the year. One of my favorites. Where do we get that?
We get that at Orison Giggy.
Yeah, it's good.
We also sell it at UVU, of course.
Okay, all right.
And then we're gonna put just a little bit of dressing on top of those tomatoes to make them that much better, as well a little dressing in with pickled onions and arugula.
Whoa.
Toss the pickled onions and arugula.
See, this sounds fancy, but
season it just a little bit, but it's simple.
Yeah, when you break down the ingredients, we can do this at home.
We can do this. Everybody can do this. So a little bit of arugula right there on the center.
Okay.
Take a little bit of our balsamic.
Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Can you tell he's a chef or what?
Okay, now the grilled corn.
Okay.
Take corn on the cob in the husk, boil these in the husk.
Okay. Oh.
Then just peel back the husk. They're a little bit wet, everything's good, but the corn's tender now.
Okay.
Boil it 10 to 15 minutes.
What does hanging onto the husk do?
Well, that's just that's just...
You chefs.
Yeah.
You have no rhyme or reason.
That's just the cool part. You're going to put it on the grill just like that. You're going to rotate it. You're going to oil it. Love it.
Okay.
Okay. So our toast is done. There's our toast, cheese. Boom. There we go.
Yeah.
Now, for the corn, after you've charred it and got some caramelization, because caramelization is really what we love, right? Then you're going to make a little cilantro cream. Cilantro in the blender, sour cream, the spices that you want. Everything's good. You're going to just, boom, put cilantro cream all over the corn.
Wow. Wow.
Then you're going to take fresh salsa, pico de gallo.
Oh, boy. You know we're not going to be able to wait until summer to try
You're going to take queso.
Queso.
Queso fresca.
Yes.
Put that all over there like that.
Love it.
And then, of course, your sun-baked cilantro.
I love it. Oh, that looks amazing. All right,
Okay.
2 great dishes that will have us dreaming of summer and dishes hopefully we can pull off before the official summer season hits. I think we can do it. And currently, you are booking for 2 seasons ahead, fall, right?
Fall. We're booking for fall. Those of you who want to come to culinary school, please come down. uvu.edu/ca is our website. Come and see us. We'd love to have you.
Thanks, Todd.